Dear customers and ELKO EP friends, let me welcome you in ELKO EP company, who more than 22 years produce for you successful products. Because you ask us too often if we are really manufacturer or if we produce in China, we prepare for you this short movie which shows you some background places from the company. You will see the workflow process from R&D through production till dispatch to you.
In ELKO EP R&D work 40 employees in 5 departments. We develop here hardware, software, mobile application, and we have our internal testing laboratory.
After approving the design of a new product, it is verified on a development kit. Then, the creation of the product's functional circuit diagram, from which a draft DPS theme of the printed circuit board is created. Once the DPS theme is ready, Gerber data is generated for DPS production, and manufacturing begins. The creation of documents commences simultaneously with the preset process. A circuit diagram, plans for prototype casting, and both work and testing procedures for ensuring manufacturing are prepared. The next stage of development of the product is the creation of the device control software. If previous stages are in line with requirements for the product's development, production is commissioned for a test prototype series. During this series, tests are performed not only according to the requirements of standards, but also more difficult tests are performed on equipment and devices in ELKO EP's own internal testing laboratory. If the product conforms to the required standards, it goes to the manufacturing line.
We are located in the production hall in anti-static zone. Manufacturing process is a 3 shifts.
ELKO EP's production is driven by 2 modern, fully automatic SMD production lines on which casting and soldering of terminal-free components takes place. The casting capacity of the lines is 1 million components per day, from the smallest size of 0.4 by 0.2 to housing CSP and BGA up to a size of 55 by 55 millimeters. After the manual casting, the soldering wave solders terminal and SMD components, and it's given a nitrogen cover. Nitrogen displaces oxygen, and therefore the solder joint is of a much higher quality. After optical inspection of the semi-finished product, it is assembled into the product's final likeness. Most products are comprised of 2 or more semi-finished products, but finally the final product is assembled into a plastic box made from self-extinguishing material, PCABS. ELKO EP stands out from the competition by the fact that we own 150 molds and we press our own boxes. Significant investment into our own molds and plastic enable us to produce more complex products and create their actual design. 100% of the company's products go through rigorous testing, resulting in a complete product tested report. Each product is checked by a barcode, which is unique and is often called the product's birth certificate. The final phase is creating a laser description and product packaging. The unique serial number that accompanies the product from its initial phase is part of the description, and you will find it here on the side. This number is further used for FIFO storage and for the identification of the customer purchase order. The customer may also use this number for their records and can even register it in a loyalty program. Please do not hesitate to show this video to your customers and tell them that they can see the entire process and more with their own eyes. And so can you.